Flippin' Fun family, Monday evening, and we just picked up a LoveSac. And I don't really know what one is, but I'm told that it's a pretty good thing. Like, we could sell it for a lot of money. And so to me it looks like a shaggy dog. To everybody else, they like the thing, you know. And it's electric too. And so we're gonna unload it and put it in the garage. I think tomorrow's gonna get cleaned up. Am I right about that? Just
yes.
nod, yeah. And so
yes.
Here's where the fun begins. That's that. A little awkward to carry, but we got it done. We'll take a quick peek at it. Man, that is comfortable. It feels like a memory foam. It's not the right color for our house, so we're gonna have to sell it. And we're gonna look it up. We're gonna see how much we can sell it for. We're told to go for a lot of money. That's just what we're told. And from laying here, I kind of believe it. And it's gray. Is it gray?
Yes.
It's gray. It's gonna sell. Gray sells.
Yes, it does.
Catch us guys later on. Stay tuned for the cleanup, and we'll tell you how much we're going to sell it for. And we'll tell you when we're going to sell it. And we'll tell you if we did sell it for that much. We'll see you then.
Hey guys, so yesterday you saw we got this here. We were told that it was a LoveSac. We didn't know that it was not until I flipped it upside down. Saw that it's an American furniture. So what we have here, it's real soft. It is real soft. It almost feels like soft carpet. I do have to clean some of the spots up. It's not too bad. There is a couple of little spots on it. I'm just going to shampoo it a little bit. Other than that, it's in real good shape. The only other thing is, look down there. What is it missing? It's missing legs. So I'm going to have to go out and buy some legs for it, which shouldn't be a big deal. It's in two pieces. This is actually the recliner part, which is really nice. Electric recliner. And this part, it actually does work pretty nice. Like this. It reclines just like that. Real easy. And then you can even tilt the head part of it. So this is our first recliner that we've had. And the only thing is, I'm going to probably have to flip it upside down and see why the charger isn't working. I'm not sure if something under there has come undone, but I tried to charge phone and it won't charge. And it's got like some of these little dirt spots, but I'll shampoo all that out. But yeah, actually this was free, so you can't beat it for free. And I'll clean it up, and then I'll let you guys know if I'm able to get the charger to work. See ya.